Now, after the deliveries of NEO, which we saw yesterday, over 40,300 deliveries, so many of the investors are wondering how the insurance registrations for NEO are going to look like this week, which, my dear friends, I must say, it's going to be very interesting to see the total insurance registrations that NEO had this week, right? And I can tell you now without any hesitation that NEO is going to have, or NEO has produced another plus 10,000 insurance registrations, which is going to be confirmed on Tuesday. And we've been seeing, like, in the past 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, on 2 weeks insurance registrations report, NEO produced 10,800 units. This week we saw NEO having 10,300 units, and I'm quite certain that even on the insurance registration report coming on Tuesday, which will cover this week, NEO is going to have plus 10,000 units. And this is what we are mostly going to see right now in also November. And we are going to see it going to 12,000 units. And it will be a very big confirmation of NEO getting to 50,000 deliveries, because for NEO not to be within their target, or to reach profitability, they need to at least sell 50,000 units this month in order to at least get 150,000 units. Because for NEO to get 150,000 units, the delivery roadmap should be 50,000 this month and 60,000 next month, which is the month of December. And I think we are going to get that. I think NEO is going to produce that, and we need to just brace ourselves for. So going to this week, insurance registrations are going to be so great, going to be so massive. And the good thing, what makes a big difference, or what gives me the courage to load the boat, is because we are going to see something that we have not seen yet now in November. In terms of the deliveries, in terms of insurance registrations, we are going to see something that we have not seen. NEO delivered, we were expecting it to deliver plus 40,000, and we got that. And plus 40,000 is what we got. And that gives me greater joy, man, to say that, look, NEO's performance continues improving. NEO's performance continues to show us that they are indeed a very much different company than the NEO that we knew previous months, previous years. This NEO that we are seeing now, it's a NEO that is very much serious about breaking even, getting to profitability. And it's going to surprise a lot of the big financial institutions that are still not believing that NEO yearly revenue or positive revenue is going to be generated next year in 2026. It was very interesting to see the sentiment, the comments made by Goldman Sachs, who highlighted that, look, they are still expecting a NEO to reach full year profitability in 2028. They are not seeing that happening next year, but I think we should brace ourselves, man, for what is coming. I know that NEO, of course, its operational expenses is increasing due to the fact that they are hiring more people or more employees to help them increase the production capacity. But I can tell you this, and that is, look, NEO's momentum for delivering more won't slow down that much, even in Q1 and Q2, because NEO cars that are being logged in right now, especially with the Envoy L90 and the NEO ES8, most of those deliveries are only going to be made next year. And simply meaning that whatever we are seeing, we are accumulating onto those two brands or two models, chances are very high that we are going to deliver those cars next year. And if already we are going to deliver all the orders that we are collecting now, we are going to only deliver them next year, what will happen in December? All the orders that the NEO is going to receive, it's going to cover us until probably May, June of next year. Because for a model like the ES8, the deliveries or the orders that they're logging right now, those deliveries are only expected to come in April, which is absolutely great, something that is very exciting, and it gives me massive confidence as the NEO investors that NEO is going to do very, very well. But again, I wanted to share. The purpose of this video is just to tell you that we need to expect even greater things right now in November when it comes to insurance registrations. The plus 10,000 that NEO has been consistently delivering should continue and even get better this month, because this month we are expecting NEO to get to 50,000 deliveries, and that, my dear friends, is gonna require NEO to move from 10,000 to 12,000 in terms of deliveries for them to be able to get to that 50,000 monthly delivery, which is something that is great, something that we are looking forward to. But anyways, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I just thought I'd quickly come and give you this latest development. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified every time I drop a new content. YouTube still tells me that some of you guys are watching and have not subscribed, and look, I am really putting the work for you. Most of you that have been on this channel for quite some time, you will know that I do not fail at giving content about NEO on a daily basis. I try. I might not give you maybe lots of videos, but look, man, on a daily basis I'm trying to give you content about NEO as to the latest developments, what is happening, what is expected. And look, all I'm asking is for you to like this video. All I'm asking is for those that have not subscribed to subscribe. There was someone who has not subscribed to the channel, who, I don't know if it was a joke, who said, look, if they subscribe, am I going to buy them the ES9 next year? It's just so interesting, right? I mean, look, that car will be so expensive, I don't think I will even afford it, right? But it's just so great, man. But anyways, liking, subscribing doesn't take anything from you guys. It's for free, man. And yeah, I appreciate those that have been subscribing, though, that have been hitting or ensuring that they subscribe and hit the notification bell, and they share the content to the other new investors all over the world. I'll keep them coming, I promise. That is all from me. Let's end this video here, and God bless you all.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all